This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on daily screen time on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Daily screen time is screen time management setting that allows you to manage your usage on TikTok. It lets you to set a daily screen time limit so that you get notified when you reach that time on TikTok. You can turn this setting on and off at any time. You can also view your screen time summary in your activity center. And how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your profile on the bottom right here. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. On content and display section, you will see options, activity center. You can tap on that. And you can see here's your daily average screen time. You can tap on see all screen time data. Now you can tap on daily screen time. Tap on set daily screen time. Set the same limit every day or set a custom limit per day. You can choose. Here, if you're between the age of 13 and 17, the setting is turned on by default to 1 hour. But if you want to custom it, you can choose this. You can custom limit per day, but if you want to set the same limit every day, you can type on here. I will choose set the same limit every day. I will choose for 2 hours, but if you want to custom the time, you can custom it. Maybe for 6 hours, 3 hours, but I will set to 2 hours. Now you can tap on next. Now tap on edit daily screen time if you want to edit, but it's done. Now your daily screen time on TikTok is active. So that is how to turn on daily screen time on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.